Chanel back with another video. And you guys, you know, before I say that, let me go ahead and tell y'all, before you even watch this whole video, now that you done clicked on this video, go ahead and hit the like button, because you gonna like this video, okay? This video gonna be a bomb. If you into like shopping and apartment stuff and all that good stuff, like, this video is for you. If you about to move, if you think about moving, if you already moved, you know, I'm about to help y'all. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna help y'all, because y'all might got different budgets, and like, y'all might be trying to spend $1 million in furniture. I'm not. Y'all might be trying to spend 50 grand in furniture. I'm not. So yeah, but I'm about to just bring y'all along while I apartment shop, and I'm trying to budget. So I ain't gonna say I might get some stuff for us, but you never know. You might go in the store and be like, oh, that's a good deal, let me buy that. Hold on one second, we're on some fries. Here, mama. Here you go, baby. So yeah, this video is for you guys. So go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to share and comment once you do watch this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. If you are a new family member, welcome to the family. We love you, and I hope you enjoy all of the content. If you are not a Rosebud yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here so you can go ahead and hit that. Like, boom, hit it. Boom, hit it. Right, Mo? She said boom. Yep. And then if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. I am so happy that you decided to come back and see what I got for you. So with that being said, we are just headed to North Carolina now because we are about to get a little bit of shopping in. It is Sunday, and your girl is ready to do a little shopping, just a little bit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make it like a series, an apartment series. So this is gonna be the first video into that, and I think I'm gonna title it First Apartment Series. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Even though I've had 3 apartments, but this is my first apartment with Moo. This is gonna be our first apartment together, just us by ourselves. Lord, pray for me, okay? Pray for me. Cause single mamas, y'all know we gotta stick together. And y'all know it be hard. Some days you just wanna pull all your hair out. Other days you just wanna be cuddled up with your baby. But if your baby's like my baby, she's not like really affectionate to nobody but her papa. Like, yeah. So, well, she won't even be all laid up with him either. So, yeah. So, like I said, some days you'll just wanna cry and just lock yourself in a closet and, you know, just scream. But yeah, here, we're gonna get your bottle. There's no more fries now, mama. Here, there you go. What you throw with that? Oh my goodness, this child. See, this is one of those days, those moments that you just want to lock yourself in the closet, because you're just like, why would you do that, knowing you're gonna cry and fuss and be gross, and you did it. You did that. This didn't have to happen. You did that. So yeah. Y'all hear her fussing? Listen, I'm gonna give you your other bottle. If you drop it, then you're just gonna be solo dolo until we get up here. Here. Stop. See, that's what it be like. And she just won't fuss. So before y'all see that side of Z, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this right now, and we're gonna also listen to some music until we get there, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Hey babes, so I am at Target. I'm trying not to be too loud because Moo is asleep, but she got to get up anyway because we got some shopping to do. Okay. But yeah, about to go into Target, see what they got, and then also over here is it a Pier 1? I think it's a Pier 1 over here, and it's also a Ross. So I'm gonna go there too. And yeah, so we about to just see what all is up in the stores, get a little bit of stuff. I know somebody did not just buy a Christmas tree. It is what, June? But they probably on sale good though. I don't know. But anyway, let me mind my business because it's the business that paid me. Okay, so we about to get up and get in the store. I'm so mad. If he hit my car, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Crazy. But yeah, what was I saying? Get in here real quick and get some stuff. See what deals they got going on or whatever. And yeah. so I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in here. Oh, I was saying I'm so mad because my phone is about to freaking die. I'm gonna see if I can get me a portable charger for not too much money. If it's like 20 or less, I'm gonna get it. But if it's more than that, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, y'all, that was so cute. This dude, he just opened the door for his wife. Ugh, I'm so jealous. I'm gonna give me a man, y'all. I'm gonna give me a man, and when I do, I'm gonna be happy. Excuse me. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to y'all in a few. Bye. Okay, yeah. So we're in Target now. I'm probably not gonna be doing that much talking in here because there's a whole bunch of people in here and I don't want to draw attention to ourselves. Say hey. So I'm probably just gonna be like recording a little bit of stuff because yeah, and it's also loud in here. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what I get. Say hey. You gonna wave? Okay, guys, so right now I'm just looking at comforters. I don't think I'm gonna get one from here, but I'm gonna see what they got. Yeah. Y'all, I'm tripping because Target has the pink Keurigs. That's the color of my kitchen. That's spoiler alert. Y'all look. Only $90. I gotta get it. I don't even drink coffee like talk about. Stop, girl. You was bad. But anyway, so yeah, stop! I'm gonna bite you. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna get one of those. Stop. And I think I'm gonna make like, cause coffee make my heart beat like super fast. So I think I'm gonna just like try to water it down maybe with a little ice. Maybe do ice coffee. Why you acting? Why are you acting? Here. Maybe do like iced coffees and then also some teas. So yeah, I'm about to get that bite. You're not funny, you bad. You was bad. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get one of these and then yeah. Okay guys, so I know I'm probably yelling at y'all about the air is on because it is so hot. It's so hot. But yeah, we literally just left out of Target. We was in there probably like 2 hours and I spent $330, which isn't really that bad, but considering what I got a mini Keurig, a comforter that I don't know if I'm gonna keep yet, but it was just nice and it was the only one, so I was like, I'm gonna get it, and if I don't like it or if I find something else, I'll just bring it back. It's not the big of a deal. The main thing I got was the comforter, the Keurig, and that was it. And then I got some towels and some washcloths. Instead of doing like I did last time, I got like a bunch of different color ones. I just got 2 sets of white washcloths and towels, because that's gonna be like my main color. And then I got like an accent color in one, and then accent color in another, because I got 2 different bathrooms. So yeah, now I think I'm about to go over there to Ross. I'm about to check and see how much money I got left because I loaned out a lot of money to somebody. So that kind of left me stuck a little bit, but it's fine because I actually got some more money at the house that I just forgot to bring. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Alright y'all, so let me turn this off. Okay, so we're about to go into Michael's because they might have a little bit of home decor. I'm not sure. Well, most of the stuff is like arts and crafts, but I need to see if they got those drawers that everybody was making the vanities out of, and if they do, I'm gonna put them on. I think you can put them on hold because I don't have nowhere else to put them in the car today. So yeah, I'm gonna see if they got those and see what else they have, and then I'm gonna also go into Ross because if you don't know, Ross has great like deals on comforters as well as like bathroom stuff and just different things for the house. So I'm gonna take y'all with me and let's go. Mama, you gonna see the goats? Yeah. Look at them. They like you. They running from you, baby. I think they scared of you. Hey, hold on, move back. Ooh, look at him. You doing what it did? What it do, Mo? You did it. Oh my God, I want one. Hi.
Next thing is baby.
Oh, he big. God, that mug big as on the way. I didn't realize how big it was until he got out. Oh, they so pretty. Oh, that one my favorite.
Yeah, I like this color too.
Yeah.
What's his name, Mr.
Oh my goodness, y'all. Look, it's a pony.
Yeah, he done got over here with them.
Oh, they ain't bothered?
No.
I was thinking.
Look how little it is.
It is. What down over there?
That's one over there.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you trying to get the weight on him, ain't
Yeah. Then she gets out.
you? Uh-huh.
She go up there, get out on that side. And the black and white when it falls. Oh, but
Y'all, my baby just kissed the horse. First she was trying to lay on the horse, then she kissed it. Yeah, it's too many flies for you, ain't it, Mama? What you looking at?
Yeah.
You see him throwing the dirt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, y'all already know what time it is. Oh, we in this mug today. Y'all seen the real countryside beat. Y'all, we on the phone with us. Say hey. Oh. We having so much fun, y'all. Oh my God. Say bye-bye. Bye. All right. Oh, Jesus. You go scare her. Oh, my goodness. She laughing. You like it, Mom? You already know.
I believe it's her shoe.
yeah, that back might get her back foot.
Your shoe came off, baby.
Oh. Oh. Hold on, let me get that fixed right. You should get that thing fixed for you. We fighting?
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I know terrible lighting, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video so I can go ahead and get it edited and put up because I got some other stuff to do. But we just not got back from the farm. We had a ball, y'all. It was so much fun, so much fun. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, Mama Rosebud is out. We're out. Moose, say out. Say we out. All right, y'all. Bye.